How to save file on Canva mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save file on Canva mobile app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Canva mobile app, and after you open it up, if you want to save a file, your projects on your Canva will automatically get saved like this. Your designs, your projects will automatically get saved. So you don't really have to manually start saving it. But if you want to save it to your mobile phone, what you can do is you can open this up, open up, you can open up a single project or you can open up a single file. And then here you should see the download button on the top. If you tap on it, you will see the save your image option where you can save your image or you can save your project. So right here you can save it to file or you can save it to image. Let's save it to file so that you can find it, or you can just do this for other type of files as well. So tap on save to files and then choose a file location and then tap on save on the top right corner. After you do that, your project or your file will get saved on your mobile, and it's that simple. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you save a file on Canva mobile app. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.